do is this is a decor tip. It's a space improvisation tip. As I share, I can think about it. So if there's a window, if there's a balcony, if you have a space where you want to make it bird friendly and stuff, or you want to make it green and stuff, you can have maybe a small area which is got trees there, and you can simply install, you can just simply hang discarded sneakers or boots there, and you can put in a little bit of bird feed and stuff, and you can see that over the months probably birds are going to be flocking in, and they're going to be kind of laying their eggs and stuff, and they're going to be kind of using that space for shelter. So if we were to extend this idea, and if we were to kind of have this in various spaces in the city, let's say you have a green spot created and you do that, one thing is for sure that you're going to have greenery for sure, and you're going to have a lot of birds flocking in and stuff. So this is another way of nature management or environment management, or also safeguarding that the birds have something to look forward to and stuff. And where we have construction happening, we have destruction happening and stuff, we are kind of safeguarding that birds are taken care of. The other way is that you kind of have maybe shoe installed with a wooden plank and stuff, so you have like a birdhouse made of that. So you install that, so wherever you go, maybe in a neighborhood, maybe in a park, maybe outside your office, maybe outside your gym, maybe your immediate windows wherever you work out of or whatever, or if you have a hotel, if you have a farm, if you're going to do that, it's going to be really useful. So all you got to do is kind of use these discarded shoes, and you kind of have a shoe house, or you just have the shoe hanging in there, and all these interests of yours are safeguarded. How creatively you want to do it is your call. You can use gumboots, you can use sneakers, you can use bigger shoes and stuff which you're kind of not making use of and stuff. And all you have to do is make sure that they are installed properly, so that birds find it easy to come in. And it's possible if you have a factory or industrial area, you can still do that. If you have a farmhouse, I've already shared. If you have a studio, if you have a musical place, if you have a theater stuff happening somewhere outside that, you can have this. Actually anywhere, you have a real estate retail space, you can have this. How well you implement it is what is important, and you kind of going to also include children in this, so you have a community project happening out of it. So let's say I have a park here, and I kind of encourage the children and the senior citizens or the community people to come in, and you have like a small workshop happening. So they get their shoes and stuff, and you teach them this, and you kind of help them construct it and stuff, and you have those installed everywhere. So you have an idea which is kind of extended for community and for probably your city management as well. Okay, so love and love, take care. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, and it's a great way to kind of keep the children and other people also engaged. I see so many people who are doing work with wood and stuff. So if it's discarded wood, you could use discarded wood as well, and you can just kind of, like I said, have this innovation of a shoe with it. And I'm going to share the picture soon, and you have a solution before you where the objective of managing birds, the objective of doing away with your shoes, and the objective of kind of enhancing the beauty of nature and environment happens. And number 4, you have a collective participation or interest in a positive fashion where people are looking after the birds and the flora and fauna. So love and luck. I'm Jashin Kapani. So have fun, have a blast, and enjoy yourself. And thank you for your messages and your emails and stuff. And looking forward to meeting you in person. And stay safe and stay well. Weather's changing, so people are getting stomach infections and stuff, so it's just a kind of a alert or a call to kind of take precautions and stuff, and not get hassled about anything. So stay upbeat, enjoy yourself, rest whenever you can, and remember to stay hydrated, remember to take your breaks, and of course enjoy coffee, because coffee also has, by now you already know, lots of positive benefits for your health and overall demeanor and outlook and attitude and stuff. So love and luck, take care, have a blast, ciao and cheers, and see you very soon, and enjoy the week ahead. Bye bye.